Hello, Travis.
You videotaping me?
Perhaps.
Why?
I'm surveying.
Why are you surveying?
Is it easier to find vegetarian cats or spare midgets?
No, spare midgets, clearly.
Awesome.
Obviously.
I also need you to tell me.
You even asked that question.
Very important survey. It's for science.
It's like asking, would you rather breathe air or be hacked to death?
Also, you need to tell me, honestly, that you can walk past this area over here and see the little witsy table with the little bats and the little witsiness. And not wish that we had midgets. Do it.
Maybe.
Walk. Look at the little witsiness. Have a look.